Making Yummy Food by ESLKidsWorld.com. They are making some bread. Do you like bread? They are making some cookies. Do you like cookies? They are making some cupcakes. Do you like cupcakes? They are making some donuts. Do you like donuts? They are making some pancakes. Do you like pancakes? They are making some pies. Do you like pies? They are making some pizza. Do you like pizza? They are making some salad. Do you like salad? They are making some soup. Do you like soup? They are making some strawberry jam. Do you like strawberry jam? For more videos, click the like button or subscribe below.